Shit, I was gonna give niggas some light coming in, but I'll just let you take it how it is. Shout out to DJ, shout out to West, shout out Ohio. Yeah. All she wanna do is drink and grab blunts, drink and grab blunts, drink and grab blunts. Cause that girl's an alcoholic. What else? And when she goes, she can't call it. All she wanna do is drink and grab blunts, drink and grab blunts, drink and grab blunts. Cause that girl's an alcoholic. What else? And when she goes, she can't call it. I'm probably not the right guy to tell you, but I got chicks from here to Vandalia. And college girls standing in my cellar cause they really want some light, but instead they pledge Delta, and I just give a sight. Girl, I'm only here to help you like trying to ride a bike. Them training was a shelter cause that Cali sun will melt you. Yeah, and I'm just here just to clean up the mess. I sent her love, she just shrugged and deleted the text. Cause all she really needed some sex. Not niggas that love queens and believing she next. She want a nigga that fuck good but don't look in her eyes. She tried to save love once but it already died. She want a big baller, shot caller, hella bad but probably ain't called in weeks. He probably all she wanna do is drink and grab blunts, drink and grab blunts, drink and grab blunts. Cause that girl's an alcoholic. And when she goes, she can't call it. All she wanna do is drink and grab blunts, drink and grab blunts, drink and grab blunts. Cause that girl's an alcoholic. Big bad bitch. When she goes, she can't call it. I'm still in the strip club if you haven't noticed. Thinking about real love and I fear choking. Do angels hear us or read our prayers joking? Would your eyes tear up if mine didn't open? She had to cut her old friends off, cause all she cared about is puff, then cough. And her butt the only thing that's soft around here. And it's no days off, we turned up round, yeah. And these are just her thoughts running through her head. At the bar, legs ajar, now we in her bed. Cause ain't nobody turning down ass. She forgot about Lent, so she's still a little fast. So laugh, cause girl, I'm just joking with you. It's all good, she just want the wood like a broken pencil. And she don't even know that she the rock. She only call me when she drunk high. I need some cotton. All she wanna do is drink and grab blunts, drink and grab blunts, drink and grab blunts. Cause that girl's an alcoholic. And when she goes, she can't call it. All she wanna do is drink and grab blunts, drink and grab blunts, drink and grab blunts. Cause that girl's an alcoholic. Match your eight. And when she goes, she can't call it. Grab some head or something, really. Call it. If I ever meet Shorty, I'ma tell the truth. I'ma buy a minivan and tell her sell the coupe. She want hell of a oop, but I can't dunk it now. Cause every time we talk, I gotta dumb it down. And when she come around, I lose sight of hope. I tried to float, that pussy made me drown inside the boat. And I ain't nobody to hate on. Yeah, you bad, but your ass I can't wait on. I need something right now to play spades on. Something to put my plate on. What big booties do to me is truly God's design. The dick'll make her cry, that's why I bought some wine. Betty, feeling like we out of time. It's love a crime. Cause that girl's an alcoholic. And when she goes, she can't call it. All she wanna do is drink and grab blunts. So I tell her, call me. What up, A-Dub?